Here's an interesting fact about volcanoes. Did you know that there's a type of volcano that can produce ice volcanoes, or glaciovolcanoes? These unique formations occur when volcanic activity happens under ice sheets or glaciers, causing the meltwater to freeze and create distinctive, volcano-like shapes. For example, Iceland's Vatnajökull ice cap is home to several subglacial volcanoes, including Grímsvötn, which has produced numerous glaciovolcanic eruptions throughout history. This rare phenomenon showcases the incredible diversity and complexity of volcanic landscapes on our planet. Like and subscribe for more amazing facts.